United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 309, Reservations and exceptions. No reservations, or exceptions, may be made to this convention unless expressly permitted by other articles of this convention. Article 310, Declarations and statements. Article 309 does not preclude a state, when signing, ratifying or acceding to this convention, from making declarations or statements, however phrased or named, with a view, inter alia, to the harmonization of its laws and regulations with the provisions of this convention, provided that such declarations or statements do not purport to exclude or to modify the legal effect of the provisions of this convention in their application to that state.